All right. Welcome back, guys. Pat from Domain. I'm going to talk about the 690, 630, 700 Vanguard range. There are going to be many parts to the series. We've done the 390s. We've covered them. 390s come in a pull start and a key start. The benefit of the V twin range, which is the 600 range, key start only. We've got the 630, the 690, the 700, and obviously the 800. 630 and 690 is carby built, and obviously the IGX range is a fuel injection, so there's no carburetor. First, the Honda GX630, one of the most popular units on the market. First step up from the 390 range, V-twin unit, classified as 21 horsepower. Options for our 630s. One, pressure washer as it sits here. One is the same pressure washer with a built-in stainless steel tank. You can also get the 630 on our skid base system, which a lot of guys like as well when there's an issue with height. If you're in a canopy or anything, you've obviously got the fuel on the bottom as opposed to the fuel on the top. The skid can come as it is like this, or you can have the fuel tank mounted underneath. Our 630 engines, and mind you guys, all our machines are belt driven. We do not do any gearbox drives here. We believe that belt drive is better. A lot of different opinions on belt versus gearbox, but for us, and from our experience, we believe that belt is better. We know that belt is more efficient than gearbox. Why? Because the belt drive can run higher RPM, which gives you more flow rate of the pump. So bear in mind, you'll get more flow out of the pump. The PSI might be the same, but the flow rate of the pump will be higher with a belt-driven system. Because for example, with our most common pump, the TTK 2130, running at 1725 RPM, we can get 24.5 liters a minute out of the unit. A gearbox maxes out at 1450 RPM, which gives you 20.8 liters a minute. So you're gonna get a lot more flow from the same unit. So I have some guys who have the same engine, the same pump. One has belt, one has gearbox. The guy with the belt drive asks, why do I feel like there's more power on the unit? And that's simply because it's a belt-driven system and you're getting more water volume. So because you're getting more force behind the gun, it feels like it's stronger, but you're still getting the same cutting power. We run 4,300 PSI, 21 liters a minute. So this is a very efficient machine. Like I said, step up from the 390. 630s are the most efficient on fuel in terms of the V-twin engines, either without a built-in water tank, and you can have the option of having a 200 liter buffer tank, a 1,000 liter tank, whatever you want next to the unit, or simply we have the option of having a stainless steel tank, which sits in this spot here and is built in.